Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for spicy style cauliflower wings. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we'll take a cauliflower, we'll take the green leaves off, and then we'll cut the stem out, and we'll cut the florets into bite-sized pieces. So now that we've got that done, we'll just pop those into a bowl, pop them to the side while we make the batter. So for our batter, we take some plain flour. To that then we add some smoked paprika. Some ground turmeric. Some black pepper, some chili powder. We'll just give that a quick stir around just to get all the spices incorporated. So now we're going to slowly add our milk, and you want this just to have a thick mixture that will just coat the cauliflower florets. As you can see, our batter is nice and thick, just enough that we can cover the florets in it. So we'll pop these to the side, and then we're going to flavour our panko breadcrumbs. So in another bowl we take some panko breadcrumbs, and to that then we add some salt, some black pepper, and some smoked paprika. Give that a stir around. Now we'll take in a greaseproof blind baking tray. We'll put our breadcrumbs to the side, and we'll bring back our batter and our cauliflower. So just take a piece of the cauliflower, we'll dip it into the batter, and then we'll dip it into the seasoned breadcrumbs. And folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel, and it means I can make further videos for you. Now we'll do that with all the cauliflower. We'll just pop it onto the baking tray. So now that our cauliflower is all done, we're just going to take it over to a preheated oven, and we're going to pop it in and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until the cauliflower is soft and the outside of it is crispy. As you can see, our cauliflower is done. It's now time to serve. Now I've just served mine with a creme fraiche and chive dip. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.